Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learning Text. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zotero. Okay, so Zotero, it is the software that automatically senses research on the web, which helps us to to organize research, and which is very useful in citation and in referencing. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how can we download and install Zotero. Okay, so for that you must go to the website that is shown just here. You can just simply click on the link, or you can just simply click on the link that is given in the description below. Okay, so from here you can see the interface like this. So Zotero 6 for Windows and Zotero connector. Okay, so we'll be downloading and installing both Zotero and Zotero connector, okay, which have two different uses. Okay, so for that, first of all, so for now I'm using Windows. Okay, so click on just download. Your download will begin. You can just see them on the bottom. Okay, then after that you can download Zotero connector according to your browser. Okay, so if you are using Chrome or any other browser, you can just add extension. Okay, so Zotero, it helps to instantly create us the references and bibliographies for any text, and directly use inside Word, or Google Docs or LibreOffice, etc. Okay, so the download has been completed. You can just go on the set a file there. So you can just double click on that and start your installation. Okay, the file is being extracted here now. Click on yes, click on next. You can just keep all the setup type as it is. Okay, so here in this case I have already installed Zotero, so the option is showing here upgrade. You can just install it. Okay, but let me just cancel here for now, because I have already installed this. So after that, be sure to install also a Zotero connector for the browser. I'm using currently a Chrome, so Chrome connector. Okay, just click on install Chrome connector. Okay, so I also have already connected or add the extension. So the option is showing here remove from Chrome. You must be saying install or add to Chrome or any other browser. Okay, just click on that. Everything will be done by itself. Okay, so after that, next, when you install the Zotero, you will see the icon on the desktop. Just double click on that. So after installation, you will see the interface like this. So you can see here different options here. Okay, my library, my publications, duplicate items, unfiled items, threads. Okay, so for now let me just give you a small. Okay, so now let's talk about how to add references using Zotero. Okay, so usually there are three ways on how can we add references to Zotero. Okay, so the first one is adding manually. You can just see a plus sign. Okay, so from here you can just choose whether it's book selection, document, journal article, or newspaper article, and add manually. Okay, so this is the first way, and the second way is adding references with an identifier. Okay, you can just see add items by identifier. Okay, and you can also add notes here, add note, or attach link or any other file. Okay, and you can also see a source button. Okay, so first of all, just let me show you how can we add, okay, manually add references to Zotero. Okay, manually. Okay, so for that, let me just give you an example. Okay, so let me just search any article regarding COVID-19 for now. That's just for the example. COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 vaccine. Let me click on search. Okay, so there are the different articles. Okay, just let me click on this. COVID-19 vaccine research and development, ethical issues. Okay, so in this case, how can we add manually is that the author's name is here. Okay, so let me just open the Zotero here, and okay, let me just show you side by side. Okay, let me just add manually. It's the journal article. Okay, so on the left side here you can see okay, type, item and journal title. So what's the title? COVID-19 vaccine research and development. Okay, so for now just let me just copy and paste the title. Okay, so author name you can just see here, first and last. Let me start from last. Okay, just let me copy as it is for now, just for an example. Okay, so in this way you must type manually. Okay, publication, volume, issue, page number, date, series, series title, series text, etc. Okay, so this is the first method on how can we manually add references to Zotero. Okay, so now let me talk about the second step on how we can add references to Zotero. The second one is adding references with an identifier. Okay, so you can just see here the small button here, add items by identifier. Okay, so in this case, okay, let me just give you the same example here. Okay, you can just see here we made this number, and you can also see a different number. Okay, so you can just type or click any of the numbers here. You can just see the examples here. You can just add any of these things. Okay, ISBN, SDOIS, PMIDs. Okay, like this. Okay, so for now let me just click PMID, just copy the number, go to Zotero, click an identifier, then just paste the number and hit enter. Everything will be done by Zotero itself. Okay, so you can just see here, okay, the author is same here, right? Okay, so this is the second step on how can we add references by using an identifier. This is also an easiest method as compared to adding the references manually. Okay, you can also just see here, okay, author, abstract, publications, volume, issue, page, date, everything you can be seeing here. Okay, so let me show you the third method, that is adding references using the Zotero connector. Okay, let me go back to the same page here, add Zotero connector. Okay, so this is the most easiest way for me. Okay, so Zotero connector, it is basically a plugin that just makes us super easy to save references to Zotero library. Okay, no need to copy NPM numbers or ISBN number or add manually. Okay, so after just adding the Zotero connector to any of your browser, you will see the options like this here. Okay, Zotero connector, right? Okay, so let me just save the same journal article just for an example. Just go to the extensions, right, then click on Zotero connector. Okay, saving to my library. Okay, everything is done here, right? Okay, so let me just go to Zotero. Okay, so you can see the same article 3 times. Okay, the first one was added manually, the second one was added by using Zotero references identifier, and third one by using Zotero connector. Okay, so these are the ways on how can we add references to Zotero. Okay, So let me talk about the next one on how to use Zotero. Okay, so I've got the three different, sorry, not different, it's the same article, right? It's the same author. Okay, so here are the duplicate items here. So how can we merge or remove any duplicate references? Okay, so for that you can just click here, duplicate items here. You must see here, right? Duplicate items. Okay, so you can see here, okay, these two are duplicate. Okay, so how can we merge that? Just click on that, then you can just see here, merge two items here. You must be seeing here, merge two items. Click on that. Okay, that will be merged. And just let me go to my publications, sorry, my library. Okay, so you can just see here. Okay, okay, so the next method is that whenever we save by using Zotero connector PubMed entry, right, you can just simply double click on, or just double click on this, then this page will be taken to the directly to web page. Like you can just here, COVID-19 vaccine research, developmental, ethical issues. Okay, okay, so for now the PDF file is not available in this because you must be seeing here the blue dot. Okay, so which means that you can also get the PDF of the article. This one is how to create the collections. Okay, so these are the journals related to COVID-19. So let me just give you an example of other topics, just like, let's say, cancer. Okay, cancer. Okay, breast cancer. Okay, okay, let me just save this too, because you may be reviewing the many different articles and PDFs related to your research, you know, in which only 3 or 4 are not sufficient. Okay, so I'm saving all these references by using Zotero connector. Okay, I'm just showing you an example. Okay, so let me just take you to the Zotero library. Okay, so in this you can see here the first, second and third journals are related to COVID-19, and the fourth and fifth are related to cancer. Okay, breast cancer. So to make myself easier, I want to just create the collections regarding, I want to separate all these 3 COVID related breast cancer related articles in separate folders. So how can I do that? You can just see here, you can just see the folder options here. Just click on this and enter a name for this collection. Okay, so for now just let me give the name as COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19. You can just see here a folder has been created. I also want to create another folder. Okay, create collections. Okay, so now cancer. Okay, I've collected. Let me just go to my library. Okay, let me just select these 2 journals which are related to cancer. You can just simply drag. Okay, okay, just drag. Okay, now you can just click on the folder here. Okay, you can see the separate folder for separate journals here. Okay, 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 so now let's talk about the next thing on how to use Zotero. So let me talk about how to use tags. Okay, so the tags means for now, okay, let me just click this. Okay, and in this abstract I just extracted some of the sentence from here. Okay, so in this review we address the issues that is related to rapid speed development of vaccines to counter the COVID-19 pandemics. Okay, just for an example, I want to add tags. Okay, so for that just click on this button here, tags. You can just see here, and you can add many tags. Okay, so in this case many tags are already being shown here. Okay, if these are not enough, you can just add your own tags. Okay, like here. Just click on add tags, then you can just type here anything like. Okay, so for now vaccines, okay, it's already been added. Okay, you can just add anything like this. Okay, tags, add tags. Okay, and you can just click on this, the tags, and you can just know. Okay, and similarly you can just add the notes similar in this case like this. Just go to notes and add notes. You can add anything you want. Okay, and you can just you'll get the toolbar for editing your text. Okay, okay, so let me talk about the next thing on how to use Zotero in Microsoft Word. Okay, so most of the students face many problems in referencing citation, you know. Okay, this is very easy if you once learned it. Okay, for now just let me create any of the folder for now. Sorry, Microsoft Word document. Okay, Zotero. Okay, so for example, you can just, whenever you install the Zotero and add Zotero connector, you will be automatically seeing the Zotero button here on Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you are not seeing these options Zotero, you can just reinstall and install the Zotero. For that, just go to the Zotero, then just click on edit. Okay, then click on preferences, edit and preferences. Okay, you'll just see here, and just click on the cite button here, cite. Okay, and just click on word processor here, word processor. Okay, here you can see here reinstall Microsoft Word add-in. Okay, just click on this and again install the same thing. Okay, for Microsoft Word, and similar you can just see here LibreOffice. Okay, okay, just click on reinstall Microsoft Word add-ins and just install it. Okay, if you are not being able to see the Zotero option, for that only. Okay, okay, so for now okay, let me just extract. Okay, sorry. Okay, so for now just let me copy this much. Okay, okay, so this is the article. Okay, the data that I have just copied from some of the article. Okay, okay, so in this case how can we cite is that just go to Zotero. Okay, so before that just click the cursor or put the cursor on the place where you want to cite. Okay, then click on Zotero, then you will see here add or edit citations, you know, add note, add or edit bibliography, document preferences, reference, etc. Okay, okay, so for that I just want to add citation, right? Okay, so just click on add citation. Okay, so the interface like this will appear. Okay, so you can choose any of the citation styles. Okay, so it's currently now Vancouver. Okay, let me just skip as it is Vancouver style, then let me click on OK. Okay, so the toolbar appears like this. Okay, so you can just type any keywords related to this. Okay, so this is related to COVID vaccines. Let me just type COVID vaccines. Okay, so this is the article that I just extracted this data. Just click on that, nothing to do, just click on enter. Okay, so the citation you will be seeing here, citations like this. Okay, okay, if you are confused you can just check on that is Zotero COVID-19 vaccines, rap speeds, needs, mind melts, not wrapped minds. Okay. So I just want to change the citations or the referencing styles. Okay, so for that, how can I change is that just click on the citation, then just click on add citations here like this. Okay, so this is the method to add the next citation method. Okay, if I want to change the style, okay, this citation style, just click on the citation here. Okay, then click on document preferences. Okay, from here you can just choose many styles of referencing. Okay, so for now let me just choose AP, American Psychological Association style, and click on OK. Okay, you can see, right? Okay, so if you want to add or still edit the citation styles, right, continue the same process. Just click on the citation and just click on add or edit citation. Okay, so if you want to add any other thing, you can just add here. Okay, please cancel this just for an example. Okay, you can just type the keyword and hit enter. Okay, so this is in the style of APA style. Okay, for citation. Okay, so if you want to change your citation style like this, just select the citation, then just click on document preferences. Okay, you can just get the various styles here, and you can also click on manage style and browse for more. Okay, you can just see here. Okay, get additional styles. Then from here you can just search the style. Okay, you can just see here format fields for which field. Okay, and you can just click and just manage according to that. Okay, so if you want the references or to add bibliography, okay, you can just simply click on add or edit bibliography. Okay, just you can just see here, this one, this is to add, you can change as you want. Okay, so if the video was really advantageous and helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in coming days. Till then, everyone, take care. Thank you very much.